Minister of Aviation, Fani Kayode, has slammed the leader of the British Conservative Party, Kemi Badenoch, over her criticism of Nigeria. NaijaNews recalls that Badenoch, a Nigerian-born British citizen, has consistently attacked Nigeria and its institutions. In a recent interview with a British journalist, Badenoch accused police officers back home of stealing her brother's wristwatch and shoes in defense of the UK police. Reacting to a comment about Nigeria, Vice President Kashim Shettima recently told her to remove Kemi from her name if she wasn't proud of Nigerian roots. However, Fani Kayode, while replying to Badenoch in a post via his official X handle on Thursday, said the Conservative Party leader cannot demand for police protection for her mother in Lagos from the police she attacked. She says she trusts the British police and claims the Nigerian police stole her brother's watch and shoes, but she refuses to acknowledge the fact that the British police are amongst the most institutionally racist and corrupt in the world. That many black people, including Nigerians, have been framed, persecuted, tortured, illegally incarcerated, maliciously prosecuted and killed over the years, including thousands of Nigerians who are butchered yearly on the streets of the UK in violent knife crimes. The British police turned a blind eye to all of these simply because most of the victims are black. Giving her reviews about her policemen, one wonders why she insists on her mother having police protection in Lagos, Fani Kayode stated. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.